Y'all, hey. This is Seeing All Knowing right here on YouTube and The Knowing on Facebook. Coming with a quick upload. It is storming here. It's been storming here all day. Not feeling the best today. Really not. I wasn't going to come on. But then, I decided to come on for a few minutes to do an upload. This is Saturday, on the day before Mother's Day. The 10th. I heard this last week, but when I hear things, I don't like to go on it until I hear it again. But remember that rotten Hinton that supposedly went through the barricades and all of that? Did not stop for the retired deputy who was doing commencement service during the commencement, which was a graduation ceremony in Cincinnati, Ohio. His son was unalive by officer for apparently being in a stolen vehicle and then running and had a weapon. I never saw a video where he pointed at anything. I don't really know the ins and the outs. I'll let the judge, the juror, whoever decide all of that. But someone sent me something. And like I say, I didn't know who this person was. Never seen the person on my live. Never even saw the name. And you know how people, so Chill and I tried to track it down, but we really couldn't really track it down who it was. But now it has come to my attention again that Rodney Hinton was not driving that vehicle. It's the eyewitness have came forth and said it was not him driving. It was an older lady. They said he was straight knocked out. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure if he's taking a rap for someone else. I'm not sure if something else happened. I'm not sure. So I'm trying to get, down to what's going on with it. I was in a thread. I told you all, I look all the time at comments. I look at them comments. And in the process of looking at the comments, you see, it's a conversation going on. And the lady appears and say that she saw it. And people saying, well, go down to the station. And she said, who gonna believe, a black lady with a record? I don't know. We're going to follow this story because it's getting interesting. And he could be looking at them like he's looking at them and staring them down because he could know he didn't do anything. Or they say he was knocked out. They tried to help him. They said they didn't give a F about it. Some of their language, not mine, as well, on the scene. So we're going to have to keep following this to see what's, going to happen in this or what happened. But someone asked me, could I believe that? Yeah, I could believe it was true. But my thing is, where are them cameras? Where are those cameras? If it was a commencement service, there's some cameras somewhere. Where are they? That's the question. Where are they? And if the eyewitness says that they don't give a F about what she says, contact his lawyer. His lawyer care. See, that's the thing that kind of bothers me. If you're going to come up and say something or be a witness to something, you said a lot of people was out there. Where are you all at? A lot of people always worry about going to the police. If you don't trust them and they ain't been good to you, he has an attorney. He has a family that can get you in contact with the attorney. It's all over the TV. Especially social media is all over there. Go over there and find out who the attorney is. And I guarantee you the attorney will listen to you. For you all who do not know, I am Dr. Lisa Knowing. I run the channel, Till and I, over on Facebook, The Knowing. The signature is that red 4Runner. That's the signature. I like 4Runners. There was one that I had. And I sold that one and I got another one. So I have 2 currently. So everybody want to know, how they can find me. You see the truck, it's The Knowing. That's on anything. That's on Cash Apps or anything. The truck is the signature. So please subscribe to the channel. I'm fair. We do reactions. And we try to help people. We try to help solve things. Wonder why things are going on. But you all, thank you for coming. I love you. God loves you more. I'm going to try to upload this video. I told you it's been raining. It's been storming. I'm going to try to get this video uploaded. But this is about Rodney Hinton. His son was unalive. I believe it was around May 1st. And they were found in a sleeping car. Him and 3 others. They got out. They ran. Supposedly he had a weapon. They was behind a wall. When they got to the end of it, apparently they looked at each other. They say he had a weapon. They say he didn't point it at him. I don't know about all of that. But the deputy opened fire, unaliving the teen. They say the next day, the father, the mother, some more family members went down, talked to the chief. Excuse me, you all. According to them, they wouldn't let him drive. He was extremely mad, upset, understandable. And so what they did, I don't think they allowed him to drive. About 2 hours later, they let him get his car. And then that's when supposedly brakes never happened or anything. He just ran down the officer. But now, eyewitnesses are coming on saying he didn't do it. It was an older black lady. I don't know, y'all. We'll run this story. I love you. God loves you more. Y'all, this is Seeing It All Knowing right here on YouTube and The Knowing on Facebook with Tia. Signing off on this video.